Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this presentation on SAP Solution Portfolio for mid-market companies, especially when they are looking for a good ERP solution. My name is Rainer Sinnow, in charge of product management for Business One and Business By Design at SAP here at the headquarters in Germany. If we move forward one slide, obviously this is the disclaimer slide. Everything that I will present to you is to the best current knowledge, but you know this industry, if things change, well, then we will adjust our plans accordingly. If we take a look at the total portfolio of SAP, then you basically have two segments. You have one segment, especially for the larger enterprises and the bigger general businesses, and we serve these customers with our flagship product, SAP S4. For the segment below there, which I typically depict as the mid-market segment or the smaller enterprise segment, there you have our solutions SAP Business One and SAP Business By Design. And one important thing you can already see on this slide here. We are serving all kinds of deployment models. We are serving those customers who prefer to have their operations in their own hands and they run their own data centers. We are talking here about the on-premise alternative, but we are also serving those customers who say, look, I don't want to have anything to do with the infrastructure topic, with the application management topic. So we also have solutions for the public cloud. And what we do with these solutions is we cover the core business processes, be it financials, be it human resources, be it materials management, whatever you need, you get these key capabilities from SAP in all our solutions, S/4HANA, Business One, and Business By Design. So SAP's mission is to provide choice here. One question that I get relatively often is, where is the key architectural differences between the solutions? And this picture explains that a bit for you. Why do we have different solutions at all? The answer is because our customers have different buying preferences. We have those customers who say, look, I'm under tremendous competitive pressure, therefore I can only survive if I use the best possible solutions that are available in the market. In return, I'm willing to integrate them and to live the integration every single day. I have a team of people who can do all of that, so that is my preferred solution. These companies want what we typically describe as a best-of-breed solution, and we organize it in a federated suite. So in the middle, you have the digital core with S4, and then you have the line of business solutions, be it from Hybrid, be it from SuccessFactors, be it from Concur, that you can then assemble in the way how it makes the most sense for you. The second category of customers are those ones who say, Rainer, you know what? I don't want to have anything to do with these kind of integration topics. I always say, imagine myself as the one who can handle an espresso capsule, put it into the machine. I've learned that when the button flashes red, then I need to put water in the tank, but that's about it. I don't want to have an IT organization. I don't want to have any infrastructure, any application management. And for them, we have the suite-in-a-box model. The suite-in-a-box model comes pre-integrated, but at the same time, the suite-in-the-box model is open for extensions. So also there, you can link up a Concur system if you want extended travel and expense management capabilities. In that segment, we have both Business One and By Design. They both fit into that category. So why do we have multiple solutions? Simply because you, our customers and partners, are asking for it because there are different buying preferences in the market. Let me spend 1 second on the topic of the deployment model. A lot of people are very excited, including myself, about the opportunity to serve as many companies as possible with a public cloud solution. In the long run, the public cloud solution is a great choice, but at the same time, we need to be open to simply see what again is the buying preference? And what you see here on this slide is a chart that I borrowed from Ray Box from IDC, which explains that companies above 100 employees already today show the strong preference for a public cloud solution. But companies below 100 employees still, and they take that decision very often together with their partners, feel more confident to work with an on-premise solution. I would say if we also look at the very large companies, there we see a similar pattern. The very large companies also very often prefer an on-premise solution. So it is SAP's mission to provide choice and not to be prescriptive and tell the customer, you can only have my solution in this form or in that form. So with SAP, you can pick and choose from our portfolio and then in the second step, look at your deployment preference. Where is public cloud today? And I've pulled here some of the ByDesign numbers. What you can see here is that nearly all components are heavily used today. Obviously, at the most, it is financials, not very astonishingly. But what you can also see is that more and more companies are also trusting a public cloud solution to be good enough to do everything that they need to do in the area of logistics. So a couple of years ago, when companies told me we will never do financials in the cloud, I say these are exactly the same ones who tell me today, Rainer, we need a lot more MRP capabilities for our manufacturing environment. So to tell a long story short, the journey that started with the public cloud a couple of years ago, CRM, human resource management and sourcing, that journey continues. Today, it is common sense that yes, you do financials in the cloud, and the next steps, yes, you do sourcing in the cloud, yes, you do logistics in the cloud, yes, you do manufacturing in the cloud, is at the horizon, and we can see it right now, what this data also indicates. Now looking forward, most companies expect from their business process system that it enables them to take smarter decisions because they have very limited resources and they want to use these resources as effectively as possible. Therefore, SAP puts a lot of energy into what we describe as the intelligent enterprise strategy. The intelligent enterprise strategy has in the middle, again, the intelligent suite, be it S4, be it Business by Design, be it Business One. But it augments this digital core with extension capabilities that you can build out on SAP's cloud platform. And it brings to the table a lot of new technologies that SAP provides. Be it machine learning capabilities, be it Internet of Things scenarios, be it advanced analytical scenarios, be it blockchain technologies. So SAP provides its partners and customers one environment in which you not only get all of the core ERP processes, but you also get all of the intelligent capabilities that are required to stay competitive for the next couple of years. What my team mostly does is now to go through all of these capabilities, to analyze what can we do with machine learning scenarios, what capabilities can we get from a deep learning environment, how do we get the most out of advanced statistics. So what we do is we assess all of those technologies in SAP and we check how do we make them relevant for mid-market companies. Nobody in the mid-market wants to discuss with me where I would draw now the line between traditional machine learning and deep learning scenarios. They are interested in give me real-world examples. And if I can show them, for example, that I can scan a supplier invoice, recognize the whole thing along all of the different languages, then this is a true value add. Or if I can use a blockchain to prove to my customers that this product with this and the serial number was manufactured by me, was maintained by me, then this is a unique selling proposition. And that's what we are doing to make sure that we deliver the right capabilities. When we talk about the right capabilities, here's one example that you can use today. Both Business One and Business by Design come with a lot of built-in analytical capabilities. But most of these capabilities basically explain what is the data situation today. When it comes to the forward-looking projections, simulations, and further assessments of parameters, then we are using SAP Analytics Cloud to describe the future. So in essence, this means that we don't need to build all of these new capabilities into Business One or into Business by Design. We can consume them as a service from the SAP portfolio on the SAP Cloud Platform. So looking forward, where do we focus on in 2019? In 2019, especially for Business One, we know and we have a strong focus on providing web-based extensions for Business One. This is a key ask from our customers and partners, so we will focus on that. I talked about the intelligent enterprise, and you will see more and more capabilities there on the agenda. In Business One, we have a large footprint in the retail industry, and we will focus with additional capabilities there. In the center of what we do is, as always in SAP, our HANA database. We are transitioning with the new version 10.0 that we will introduce to the end of 2019. We transition from HANA 1.0 to HANA 2.0. HANA 2.0 predominantly brings us new capabilities in the area of analytics, but also a lot of administrative advantages. We've started working on a new set of mobile capabilities, which we are introducing too. We need to invest a lot of resources to keep all of the country versions compliant. You've seen what happened this year. In Italy, we are just in the middle of adjusting our capabilities for Argentina. China has an upcoming new cybersecurity law. So there's a lot to do to make sure that all of the solutions that Business One brings to the table are compliant around the world. And last but not least, a key focus is always and has always been knowledge transfer. Our teams are focusing there simply on making sure that whatever we build into the solution can be easily consumed and is understandable for everybody who needs to know it. That much as an outlook into Business One. If we do the same picture for Business by Design, there the priorities are somewhat similar. Obviously there we also have the topic of compliance, same story as in Business One. We also focus on the mobile applications. Knowledge transfer in Business by Design means primarily that we invest in the open SAP courses, which you can attend free of charge. When we look into the capabilities in Business by Design, we have a very strong focus on the analytical capabilities. There you will see a lot more next year, but we also introduce additional business capabilities. The intelligent enterprise is key. And we open the platform more and more up to our partners so that they can build all of the extensions that they want. If you would like to know more about what we do in detail in Business One and Business by Design, there are 2 more presentations out there, 2 more videos that you can attend with the details on what we intend to do in 2019 with Business One and Business by Design. With that, thanks a lot for your attention. Looking forward to seeing you in 2019. All the best. See you soon.